Hello, fellow travelers. Today we journey to the Crimean Peninsula, a place where history and nature intertwine to create breathtaking scenery. From towering mountains to sparkling seashores, Crimea offers a visual feast for every type of traveler. Let's embark on an unforgettable adventure through some of Crimea's most captivating destinations. Our journey begins in the heart of Crimea, where majestic mountains pierce the sky, their slopes adorned with lush forests and dotted with charming villages. We'll then venture to the coastline, where dramatic cliffs plunge into the azure waters of the Black Sea, creating a spectacle that will leave you breathless. Get ready to be amazed by Crimea's natural wonders. Dominating the Crimean landscape, the Crimean Mountains stand as silent guardians of the peninsula's rich history. These ancient peaks, sculpted by time and nature's forces, offer breathtaking vistas that will leave you speechless. Imagine yourself hiking through dense forests, the air filled with the scent of pine needles and wildflowers. As you ascend higher, the trees give way to vast meadows carpeted with colorful wildflowers, a sight that will take your breath away. From the summit, gaze out at a panorama of rolling hills, deep valleys, and the sparkling Black Sea shimmering in the distance. It's a view that will stay with you long after you've left the mountains. Along Crimea's southern coast, a giant bear appears to be frozen mid-stride, its rocky form jutting out into the Black Sea. This striking formation, known as Ayu Dag, or Bear Mountain, has captivated the imaginations of locals and visitors alike for centuries. The mountain's silhouette, resembling a bear poised to take a step, is a natural wonder that stands as a testament to the region's geological history. This is Ayu Dag, also known as Bear Mountain, a place shrouded in legend. Rising majestically from the coastline, Ayu Dag is not just a geographical feature but a symbol of the rich cultural tapestry of Crimea. The mountain's unique shape has inspired countless stories and myths, each adding to the mystique of this ancient landmark. Local folklore tells a tale of a giant bear that once terrorized the coast. According to the legend, this bear was a fearsome creature, causing havoc and fear among the coastal inhabitants. The bear's immense size and strength made it a formidable presence, and the people of the region lived in constant dread of its wrath. As the story goes, a powerful spirit, taking pity on the people, turned the bear into stone, creating the landmark we see today. This act of mercy transformed the once terrifying beast into a guardian of the coast, forever watching over the land and sea. The legend of Ayu Dag is a tale of transformation and protection, a reminder of the power of nature and the spirits that inhabit it. Whether you believe the legend or not, there's no denying the beauty of Ayu Dag. The mountain's rugged terrain and stunning vistas make it a popular destination for nature lovers and adventurers. As the sun sets over Ayu Dag, the mountain is bathed in a golden light, creating a breathtaking scene that captures the essence of Crimea's natural beauty. Hike through the forested slopes, home to a variety of flora and fauna. The trails that wind through Ayu Dag offer a chance to explore the diverse ecosystems that thrive on the mountain. From dense forests to open meadows, the landscape is a haven for wildlife and plant species, each contributing to the mountain's ecological richness. And enjoy panoramic views of the coastline. From the summit of Ayu Dag, the expansive views of the Black Sea and the surrounding coastline are truly awe-inspiring. The sight of the waves crashing against the shore, the distant horizon, and the lush greenery below creates a sense of peace and wonder. As you stand on the bear's back, feel the sea breeze on your face and imagine the ancient tales this iconic landmark could tell. The wind whispers through the trees, carrying with it the stories of the past. Each gust of wind, each rustle of leaves, is a reminder of the timeless connection between the land, the sea, and the people who have called this place home for generations. Ayu Dag is not just a mountain. It is a living legend, a testament to the enduring spirit of Crimea. Perched precariously on the edge of a cliff overlooking the Black Sea, the Swallow's Nest is a sight that seems straight out of a fairy tale. This enchanting structure, with its dramatic location and stunning architecture, captures the imagination of all who see it. This whimsical castle, with its neo-Gothic turrets and elegant arches, stands as a testament to the romanticism of a bygone era. The intricate design and attention to detail make it a marvel of architectural beauty, has become an iconic symbol of Crimea's beauty. Its unique silhouette against the backdrop of the vast sea has made it a beloved landmark, drawing visitors from all over the world. Legend has it that the castle was built by a love-struck German nobleman for his Crimean princess. This romantic tale adds an air of mystery and allure to the already captivating structure. As you approach the castle, be sure to capture its beauty from every angle. Each perspective offers a new appreciation for its design and the breathtaking scenery that surrounds it. Step inside to explore its opulent interior, where history and elegance come together. The castle's rooms are filled with stories of the past, waiting to be discovered by curious visitors, adorned with intricate details and period furnishings. Every corner of the castle reveals a piece of its rich history, from the ornate decorations to the carefully preserved artifacts. And don't miss the chance to stand on the castle's terrace, a place where you can truly appreciate the grandeur of the location, where you can soak in the breathtaking views of the sea and the coastline stretching out before you. The panoramic vista is a perfect spot for reflection and admiration, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As the sun sets, the castle takes on a magical glow, with the golden hour casting a warm light over its stone walls. This is the perfect time to capture stunning photographs and create lasting memories. Visitors from around the globe come to experience the charm and beauty of Swallow's Nest. Whether you're a history buff, a photography enthusiast, or simply looking for a picturesque getaway, this castle offers something for everyone. At night, the castle is illuminated, creating a mesmerizing sight that stands out against the dark sky. The lights highlight its architectural features, making it a beacon of beauty and romance. No matter the season, Swallow's Nest is a place of wonder. In winter, it looks like a scene from a snow globe, while in spring, it is surrounded by blooming flowers. Each season brings a new charm to this timeless castle. As you bid farewell to Swallow's Nest, you'll carry with you the memories of its enchanting beauty and the stories that make it a truly unique destination. This castle, perched high above the sea, will forever remain a symbol of romance and wonder. Section 5. Yalta, a pearl on the Black Sea coast. Our journey through Crimea's scenic wonders leads us to Yalta, a charming town nestled on the southern coast. This picturesque destination is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and serene atmosphere, making it a must-visit spot for anyone traveling through the region. Known for its mild climate, lush vegetation, and stunning views, Yalta has long been a favorite destination for travelers seeking relaxation and inspiration. The town's unique microclimate ensures pleasant weather year-round, perfect for leisurely strolls and outdoor activities. Stroll along Yalta's picturesque waterfront promenade, lined with palm trees and elegant buildings, and breathe in the refreshing sea air. The promenade is a hub of activity, where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and scenic beauty. Explore the town's historic streets, discover hidden cafes, and browse local shops for souvenirs. Each corner of Yalta holds a piece of history, with charming architecture and quaint alleyways that invite you to explore further. And don't miss the chance to visit the nearby Livadia Palace, a former summer residence of the Russian Tsars, surrounded by beautiful gardens and offering stunning views of the Black Sea. The palace is a testament to the opulence of the past, with its grand architecture and meticulously maintained grounds. Yalta is also famous for its vineyards and wine production. Take a tour of the local wineries and indulge in wine tasting sessions to savor the rich flavors of the region's finest wines. The fertile soil and favorable climate contribute to the exceptional quality of the wines produced here. Throughout the year, Yalta hosts a variety of cultural events and festivals that celebrate its rich heritage and vibrant community. From music performances to art exhibitions, there's always something happening in this lively town. For those who love the sea, Yalta's beaches offer a perfect escape. Whether you're looking to sunbathe, swim, or engage in water sports, the crystal clear waters and sandy shores provide an ideal setting for a day of fun and relaxation. As the sun sets, Yalta transforms into a magical place with its illuminated buildings and vibrant nightlife. Enjoy a leisurely evening walk, dine at one of the many seaside restaurants, or simply take in the enchanting night views of this coastal gem. Don't forget to savor the local cuisine, which offers a delightful blend of flavors and traditions. From fresh seafood to traditional Crimean dishes, Yalta's culinary scene is sure to tantalize your taste buds. With its scenic spots, panoramic views, and rich cultural heritage, Yalta truly is a pearl on the Black Sea coast. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, this charming town has something for everyone. Section 6. Exploring the Crimean coastline. Beyond the iconic landmarks, the Crimean coastline is a treasure trove of scenic beauty waiting to be explored. Imagine yourself cruising along the coastline, the sun warming your face as you pass secluded beaches, hidden coves, and dramatic cliffs that plunge into the turquoise waters. Drop anchor and take a refreshing dip in the inviting waters, or simply relax on deck and soak up the sun. For the adventurous, there are opportunities for snorkeling, diving, and kayaking, allowing you to discover the underwater world and the hidden gems of the Crimean coast. Section 7. Discovering hidden gems. While the Crimean Mountains and the coastline steal the show, don't overlook the hidden gems that lie scattered across the peninsula. Venture inland to discover ancient cave cities, their ruins whispering tales of a bygone era. Explore picturesque valleys, their slopes carpeted with vineyards and orchards, offering a taste of Crimea's rich agricultural heritage. Seek out hidden waterfalls cascading down moss-covered rocks, their gentle roar creating a symphony of nature. And immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting traditional villages, where you can experience the warmth and hospitality of the Crimean people. Section 8. Embrace the beauty of Crimea. As our journey through Crimea's scenic wonders comes to an end, we're left with a sense of awe and wonder. From towering mountains to sparkling seashores, ancient ruins to charming towns, Crimea offers a visual feast that will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and embark on your own Crimean adventure. Explore its diverse landscapes, immerse yourself in its rich history, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 9. Share your Crimean adventures. Have you been to Crimea? Share your favorite scenic spots in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to discover the hidden gems and breathtaking beauty of this remarkable peninsula.